welcome back to my channel. I forgot to film an intro, so we're just going to jump straight into it. I'm starting off by applying my foundation directly on my face, and this is the NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the shade Tahoe. I'm then using a Morphe blending brush. I'm not sure exactly which one this is, but it will be in the description box. As you may have noticed, I do not apply the foundation directly onto my forehead. I just use the excess from the brush because I do not need a lot of coverage in that area. I'm going in with concealer and I am applying that on all of the areas that I want to highlight. I'm using the Morphe concealer in the shade C2.35. And as you can see from the title of this video, this was a 10-minute glam, so I didn't want to waste any time wetting a beauty blender, so I used brushes on my entire face. This was the first time I've ever used a brush to blend out my concealer, and it turned out flawlessly, so I will be doing this again. I know this is a 10-minute glam, but still make sure you are taking time and blending everything out. Alright, blending is the key to a flawless face. Make sure you're blending out all those demarcation lines, all the streaks, and make sure everything you put on your face is just blending and melting together. Then I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is in the shade Cocoa 420. I'm using this to apply in the areas I want to contour and also bronze up and just bring that color back into my face. Also, make sure, okay, major key, if you are doing your makeup with a scarf on and it is over your forehead, push it back and put that product onto your forehead, okay? Don't go out looking crazy. Then I'm going in with another BH Cosmetics brush, and I am just going to blend all of that concealer out until it just melts into my face. I'm now going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm using a brush to just apply that first under my eyes and just pack it in and make sure everything is set. There will be no creasing under my eyes, and then I will just press that all over my face to make sure all the areas of my face are set down and are no longer shiny. Then I'm going in with my bronzer, and I'm going to put this in all the areas I put that darker concealer. I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Mineral Powder, and this is in the shade Chestnut 135. Then I'm going in with a big fluffy brush, and I'm using that to just brush away all of that excess powder and make sure that everything is just blending together seamlessly. I'm then doing a very unnecessary step, and I'm just taking the brush that I use to apply my foundation, and I'm just going over my entire face with that brush. Then I go right in with a blush to add more color into my face, and I'm using the Milani Spice Rose Powder Blush. I'm then going to be spraying my face with the Too Faced Hangover RX. This spray is so good. It sets, it primes, it does everything, and it just brings that moisture back into your face and melts that powder so that your makeup literally looks like skin. Then I'm going in with my highlighter, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Amrezy collab, and I'm applying this on the high points of my cheeks, down the bridge of my nose, forehead, and my cupid's bow. I'm going in with the brush that I use for my contour, and I'm just blending in that highlight so that it's not just sitting on top of my face. Then I take the bronzer that I used and an eyeshadow brush, and I just blend that all over my eyelid, and I blow it out just to make it like I did something to my eyes when really it takes no effort whatsoever. Then I'm just taking off my scarf, and I'm gonna look at myself and look at myself again. Oh, okay, I'm feeling myself a little bit, but we're not gonna talk about it. So then I'm just looking for my eyebrow pencil to just brush through my eyebrows and get them ready for the eyebrow gel that I'm gonna put on. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. So now I'm going in with a random brown eyeshadow, and I'm using that as a lip liner. I'm going on top of that with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Fenty Glow. I already added eyelashes off camera. These are some random lashes from Amazon. If I can find the pack, I'll put it in my description box. And that is it for this video. This look was so easy. It literally took me 10 minutes, but it looks so flawless. So please go try this on your own, and if you like it, come back and tell me in these comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Follow me on Instagram. That will be in my description box. But thanks for watching if you made it this far, and I will see you in the next video.